You can't die. I do not like this. It's hard for this position. You'll live. You have to. It's only fair. I'm lucky. I can sit back, relax, and enjoy a decent meal.
What? What?
You have to get well. Waited for me. Hey, you saved my life. Last month, at the theater, on the night. Remember? So enough. Your face is too ugly.
What?
You'll never forget it.
What?